Whoa! There we go. Yeah, he's a decent one, I think. And then that. Alrighty. Freaking northern pipe. Oh, look at that. He devoured it. Look at that. The whole thing. Mm-hmm. You live today, Jimmy. There we go. Oh. It wasn't too big. That one smoked it, yeah. See me coming under the boat. I can't see him at all. I know he's right here, but I can't see him. Yeah, he did. In the boat. She might make it. I think so too. On the button. All right. Terry's got some dun-dun. Big bass. Wow. I'll take that any day. Huh? Oh yeah, all day probably. Yeah, very nice. Whew. I don't know if you guys saw too much of that, but he came out and smoked my swim bait. That's a good 18-incher probably. There's a decent pike. Really decent. Yeah, good one. Look at that though. Isn't that weird? I saw it when I was fighting it. Look at that. It's like he's been cut by a boat maybe? Alright guys, I don't have to go walleye fishing tonight because I got pike. It's a little bigger than I'd like to keep, but this cut, I don't know. Got a little schneller. Better dude. Not a little one. Hang on, yeah you will. Later, dude. Got it. Wow. what's up? Hopefully you can hear me. You're kind of far away. I don't know what's going on really. Sorry about that little blurb, but wasn't really planning on doing too much of a catch and cook today, but that pike had a big gash in it. My uncle wanted to keep some anyway, so we are doing a catch and cook today. It's already getting late, and we're going to be filleting up this here pike that you saw on camera that had the gash in its stomach. I figured it'd be good to keep. It's a little bigger for a pike, but I mean, when it's got a gash like that, you kind of don't know if it's going to live or not, and we're going to eat it so it has a good end of its life. So what we're going to be doing is filleting her up, showing you guys how to fillet a pike, and we're going to be doing we have this fine breading I've prepared, just cornstarch, flour, pepper, salt, and then we are going to be trying it with some Hickey bottom hot sauce. And I've seen everyone been doing this hot sauce videos, and I've never tried it myself, but that stuff tastes pretty dang good. So I'm assuming it's going to taste pretty dang good. So hopefully you guys enjoy how to learn how to fillet a pike, and we're going to cook it up and eat it. Go. You good to go, I'm good to go. We're going to fillet her up, and actually Cody, the man behind the camera, the guy you see on the GoPro clips of just standing there sometimes laughing, sometimes talking, he's behind you right now. He used to be a taxidermist. He knows how to fillet a pike better than me. And I'm actually going to be learning to fillet a pike a new way along with you guys. So, Cody, if you want to come on over here, fillet it up. Are you going to say hi?
Hi, camera. Right now, kind of cut it crooked, but whatever. Just cutting it right down the back.
Are you cutting through the Y bone right now? Because everyone has questions about the Y bone.
No, not yet.
No? So you cut to the Y bone, go down the back.
That's the Y bone.
So the way he does it is he just cuts down the back completely to the Y bone. You know, chop up by the head just like you're doing to start a bluegill or a walleye, anything else. Then you cut through it, and then you just go straight down. So he's kind of doing it just as if a walleye didn't have a Y bone. And then you get a big old slab of meat.
Like that.
Yep.
And then I feel for the Y bones. Right here. Just cut down.
So kind of treating it as like a lake trout.
Yeah.
Alright.
But it's only, people don't like it because it's hard to cut out.
Know what you're doing now? Just ripping off that slippy cut.
Yeah, you can feel that the Y bones.
That's in the Y bone right here. So we don't need this.
No.
So with the way he filleted it, you might get a couple Y bones if you don't do it completely properly. But this piece, from what I can feel, is boneless. Like, it's good. And this pike meat, normally it's pretty red at the back. This is, ooh. Here's the other half. Holy crap. People say they hate pike. Look at all this meat. This is half the fish. Like, are you kidding me? Alright, so we soaked it in milk for about 5-6 minutes or so. So what we're going to do, we're going to drain it. Okay. You add the hot sauce, because the hot sauce is the boss. And once again, it is Hickey bottom hot sauce. And let that get all nice and battered in there. Assuming you don't need too much. Mix them all up in the hot sauce. This is going to be delicious, I have a feeling. That was flour and cornstarch is a good secret. It actually gets it a little crispier if you cut it half and half. And then just salt and pepper. That's my typical go-to if I'm not doing shore lunch or some sort of Ritz mixture. While this is soaking, we're going to get the hush puppies ready and all good to go. You ever done hush puppies before? No? Have you had them before?
No.
You've never had a hush puppy?
No.
Oh, girl.
I'm ready. I hope it fulfills all my wildest
I wish
dreams.
I was doing jalapeno. You like spicy food?
Yeah.
I wish I was doing jalapeno ones for your first time. Jalapeno and corn.
And corn.
You seriously never... You lived in Pennsylvania. They don't have hush puppies down there?
They probably do.
Money puppies. Tell me what you think of the hush puppy. Alright, you ready? Mmm. That looks so good. And then, like I said, we soaked it with the Hickey bottom smoky hot. I have a feeling it is going to be absolutely delicious. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. The hot sauce does not overpower it at all. If anything, it just complements the Northern Pike. And just look at this pike. Can I see it? It's a chicken. It's a chicken nugget. It is so good. Rebecca, I can't wait to meet you in the near future. And I'll definitely create more recipes for your stuff. Thank you for sending this stuff out. And hopefully I can meet you soon.
Thank you. Oh my god, dude.
Ooh, good. The only thing I think it needs more. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Me and Cody are feasting right now. This tastes amazing. Me and my uncle had a good day. We came back and cooked the pike fresh up. Still got half a pike in the freezer. Thank you guys for watching. More edits to come soon. Sorry about this one being a little bit all over the place, but so good. Have a good one, guys.